Well, realistically, the V8 Vantage, as it comes out the factory, just isn't quite there with regards to performance. So I got the nod very early on that Mike and the team knew exactly what they were doing, and it just adds that extra dimension to a V8 Vantage. Adds that extra dimension to a V8 Vantage.
In this video we're going to talk about our entire range of modifications on the 4.3 or 4.7 V8 Vantage. This particular car is a 4.3 and it's been installed with our exhaust manifolds and catalysts, which increase engine power from 380 to about 430, 440 bhp, something like that. Each car's a little bit different, dyno's a little bit different, but the delta improvement is 50 bhp in normal cases. It's got a lightweight flywheel and twin plate clutch. The lightweight flywheel allows the engine to rev up and respond much faster, and the twin plate clutch in this car, because it's pedal shift, really makes the shifts much faster, much smoother, and really is much more engaging to drive the car with that gearbox upgrade. We've also increased the front brake performance. It's gone from a 350mm disc to a 380mm disc, and 4-piston to 6-piston calipers. And we've improved the handling with our electronic adaptive suspension system that's controlled via smartphone app. So as a total, those upgrades really make the V8 Vantage a driver's car, really sharp, really focused driver's car. Obviously in total, those are big upgrades, big spend to make on the car, and they can be taken individually. A lot of owners go for just the power increase because they want more engine responsiveness. If the standard clutch wears out, it's pretty much a no-brainer to replace with the upgrade clutch. On the older cars, they are prone to the dampers leaking, the valving fail internally, and if you've got to put 4 of the old spec dampers on, then it really does make much more sense to upgrade and either put Vantage S Sport Pack Bilstein on, or go for the adaptive if the budget is there to spend a little bit more. The brake upgrade, really you only need that if you're experiencing brake fade. If you're not experiencing brake fade the way you drive at the moment, then there's not really much point in going for the big brake kit. So individually, that's all the upgrades that we offer, and let's go for a drive now and see what it's like out on the road.